Most people panic the moment a vanilla gift card gets declined. They assume the card is broken or useless. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the card is fine. The problem is usually something small that can be fixed in minutes. In this video you'll learn exactly why your vanilla gift card is getting declined, and how to fix it step by step so you can actually use your balance without stress. Let's start with the most common issue. Activation errors. Many vanilla cards are not fully activated at checkout, or need a short delay after purchase. So if someone like Alex tries to use the card immediately after buying it, the system may reject it. The fix is simple. Wait a few minutes, confirm activation, and try again. Now, here's where it gets interesting. The second most common problem is address mismatch. Vanilla gift cards often require you to register a billing zip code online. If the zip code doesn't match what the merchant expects, the transaction gets declined. This is where most people fail because they never register the card properly. So here's what you should do. Go to the official vanilla gift card site, enter your card details, and register your billing address. Use the same zip code you plan to use during checkout. Once that's done, retry your purchase. But here's the problem. Even after registration, some online stores still reject prepaid cards. This usually happens with subscriptions, gas stations, or international websites. These systems do a temporary authorization check, and prepaid cards sometimes fail that check. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest workaround that actually fixes this in most cases. Try splitting your purchase or lowering the amount slightly below your card balance. For example, if your card has $50, try a $49 purchase instead. This helps avoid hidden authorization buffers that merchants add. Another issue is insufficient balance due to pending holds. Some stores temporarily hold more than your purchase amount. So even if you think you have enough, the system might decline it. Always check your exact balance before retrying. Now here's a simple fix that works surprisingly often. Clear your browser cache or try a different device or payment method window. Sometimes the decline is not the card, but the checkout session itself. So, here's the summary. Your vanilla gift card is usually not broken. It's either not activated, not registered correctly, or being blocked by merchant systems. Once you fix those three things, most declines disappear instantly. If this helped you get your card working again, hit like, drop a comment with your issue, and subscribe for more simple fixes that save you time and money.